How to add or set up email on iPhone Mail app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Mail app. Here we go. You will enter this kind of page. Different options will appear. You can select the option that is suitable for you. I'm gonna select Google. Now you have to type in the email address that you want to add in your Mail app. After you type in, click on Done. Now click on Next. Now type in the password. After you are done, click on Next. Click on Continue. iOS wants to access your Google account. Scroll down and click on Allow. You can enable for these options, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes, and then click on Save. Mail would like to send you notifications. You can set it to allow or don't allow. And just for that, you have set up new email on your iPhone Mail app. This way, you can easily add or set up email on iPhone Mail app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.